Hi, I'm Vicky Rebecca, and I'm here to tell you about Osho reminding yourself of the forgotten language of talking to your body mind. It's about making friends with yourself just the way you are, healing, restoring balance to the body, mind, emotions, and behaviour patterns. The thing is, even if you've been critical to your body in the past, it's been working for you all these years, walking, eating, breathing. So isn't it about time that you made friends with, listened to, and talked with your body-mind system? On the day you'll lie still in absolute comfort and be guided by the sound of my voice into a state of deep relaxation. And in that state of deep relaxation, your subconscious mind becomes very open to suggestions and will start working for you in new ways without you consciously having to do anything. My voice will guide you, but the process is absolutely yours. It's a soothing, intimate, and game-changing process. And the full course runs for an hour every day for a week. It's also available in single private sessions by arrangements. And watch this space for a taster session near you. Thank you for listening. Namaste.